Open your internet browser and search OBS download. Open obsprojects.com/download. It is the source website for OBS Studio. Go and hit download installer. Now the software is downloaded to your computer in your download folder. Wait download to complete, then click open. And a window for install. Click next. Now the OBS requires runtime components to be installed first. Click yes. Your browser will navigate directly to download this component. Click the executable Visual C++ and it will be download. Wait download complete and then click open. And the component will be installed. Now your computer ready for the OBS Studio installation. Go to your download folder and run the OBS installation file. Click next. Wait installation to complete. Go to your desktop, you should find OBS Studio shortcut created. And enjoy using your free video and streaming editor. And don't forget to subscribe to channel and activate the bell notification icon to be notified with the new videos. Thanks for watching.